Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. I got something in the mail today from BeeBeeCraft. So not only does it come in a bubble mailer, but we have a little bubble sack with all the goodies in here. And we're going to go through each one of them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things. So this first thing we have here is from Benicry 82 feet of 304 stainless steel link cable chain, 2 millimeters, with, we have some lobster claws and, let's see what we have here, and some jump rings. These look like, I wonder what they are. Let's see. So there's 20 lobster claws and let's see, it says 50 pieces. Let's see. 82 feet, 304 stainless steel link cable chain, 2 millimeter with 20 lobster claw clasps and 50 jump rings. And I don't know what size these are. I would guess them to be maybe about a 6 millimeter. Let's see what this chain looks like here. And everything that I got, I have plans for a specific creation that I plan to do. Boy, they've got this wrapped up really well here. Okay. So here, isn't that nice? I like this size. It's very dainty. And stainless steel is not going to turn. So this is really, really nice. I'm excited about that. This next thing is Honeyhandy 304 stainless steel 8-petal flower bead caps. And I think they said they're supposed to be, let's see, 36 to 38 pieces. The hole is a 1 millimeter, and the bead cap is a 7 by 1.5 millimeters. So these will be nice for my project that I have in mind. Okay, got a runaway jump ring here. Let's put that back. All right, the next thing we're going to open up are these. So this is from Acrylic electroplated glass bead strands, half rainbow plated. They're faceted rondelle clear, 4 by 3 millimeters. The hole is 0.4 millimeters. And there's 10 strands here, and each strand has about 123 to 127 pieces. Ooh, these are really pretty. They sparkle nice. I don't know if you can tell that on the video, but in person they're really pretty. I'll have to admit, when I first saw them in this bag's kind of, it's got like a, I don't want to say a film, but it's discolored. And they didn't look really nice, but once I got them out, these are really, really pretty. And they're going to be nice for my little project that I'm going to be doing. I'm excited about that. By the way, if you're interested in anything I'm showing here, I will leave links down in the description box below. And I will also leave a really good coupon code for you. All right, let's see what's next. These are next. Aren't these pretty? Ooh, these look really pretty out of the bag too. So these are Honeyhandy, I believe. Now I got these all from BeeBeeCraft, but BeeBeeCraft carries different brands of things. This is Honeyhandy. electroplate transparent glass bead strands, half rainbow plated, faceted round. They're calling this a dark turquoise. It's kind of like a teal, like a dark teal. And when I look at the shimmer in there, I see purples and blues. This is really pretty. It's 6 by 5 millimeter. The hole is 1 millimeter. There's 10 strands. Each strand has about 92 to 94 pieces. Okay, so they're not all tied together. Look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, these are gorgeous. They look very ocean themed to me, which, you know, that's what I like. Anything to do with the ocean. All right, so these next beads that we have here are also from Honeyhandy. And they are acrylic. I don't normally like to get acrylic beads, but for the project that I have in mind, which, by the way, it's going to be a different video, these just looked perfect. They're rainbow acrylic imitation pearl beads. They're calling them gradient mermaid pearl beads. Oh, there's no hole. Oh, no. That's why you should read. This is not going to work for my project. No hole. Okay. If y'all have any suggestions on how I can use these beads, let me know. There's no hole in them. I am stumped. I could put them, I could get like maybe some little tiny glass bottles and put some sand in them, put some pearls and some other fun things in there. It'll look like maybe a bottle that somebody found on the beach. I could make a cage and put some of these in. I don't know how to do that though, so I would have to do some investigating on that. But help me figure out what to do with these beautiful beads. Now these last things I'm going to show you, spray paint ABS plastic imitation pearl beads, flower white, 10 by 11 by 8.5 millimeter. The hole is a 1.4 millimeter. Okay, let me get my scissors out. I'm really bummed that I didn't read everything for those other ones, because they would have been perfect if they had a hole. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, aren't these pretty? So these are just little like lily flowers. And there's a couple of things I have in mind for these. I believe there's 100 in here. And the first project I'm going to do is going to be a different video, which I'm going to be filming right after this one. And I'm going to need these two. Aren't these pretty? Very pearly. So here's all my little fun goodies I got from BeeBeeCraft. I am really excited to show you what I have in mind to make with them. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section below what I should do with these. And stay tuned for a couple more videos on what I do with this other stuff. And you know, if I can get some ideas with these, I probably will do a video on that too. Anyway, let me know what you think is what your favorite thing is. My favorite is this right here. I love that color. And like I said, stay tuned for some more projects with all these goodies. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.